Well, I'm going to take it back there to make the table. Oh, dirty doesn't matter. Ouch! Okay, so the first thing I had to do was make sure that I got screws big enough to take this pressure, bolts I should say. Here we go. So this is what I got. These 4 bolts, washers, wing nuts. The problem is with it is I have to drill these holes out bigger, so I'm going to do that right now, hopefully. Go in there. Sweet. Whoa! Back it out. Okay. Let's try that again. Yeah, I know. Fatso, that's not safe. What the hell is safe? Oh. Let's take it in the right direction, Fatso. I don't believe this is a metal bit. That is. But I think this is a wood bit. That's why I'm having such a hard time with it. And it may not be the sharpest. Let's see if that worked. That side's good. That side's good. Alright. The flaw in it's going to be the wobble with this. I'm going to try to get this kind of evenly spaced in thirds with these 2 legs and that one. So probably almost in line with this right here, but probably over like a couple inches from it. I could just use this to make the measurement like so and just draw on a line and put it over that far, or maybe 2 of them. Let me finish this hole. Okay, that's odd. Big enough. Big enough. Big enough. Okay. So what I want to do next then is, I think I'm going to go, because I got these marks here. Let me see something. Yeah, they're just about, so if I flush this up to the line that's there, it's by eyeballing, it's pretty much the same distance from there to this first row of dots. See if the same on the other end. If that's the case, then I will yep. So what I'm going to do is actually draw 2 lines. Alright. Keep in mind, guys, this is all eyeball work. So I'm going to draw a line here. Like so. I'm going to move this over to that line. Okay. Yeah, and then eyeball the holes right there and right there, right here and right there. Now I'm not going to take the chance that that this other set of legs, because that says A, this was no doubt B. Alright, so let's move this down and we'll put our holes in. Oh, guess what? Yeah, the old fat guys needs to charge the battery up. Okay, I'll make sure that. Yep, I'll get those through there. Come on. Alright. Yeah, the battery's low. And this is press board. Not press board, but strand board. What is it called? Oriented strand board, I think. Alright. So that's that. And that will go on that side. So this one will go on this side. So again, I'm gonna draw me a line. This might be one video by itself. I don't know. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay, then I'll move it down here. Another line. Now, the thing I had thought about doing, but the main reason I'm doing this is because, well, here, let me draw these and then I'll talk to you. The main reason I'm making a table like this is because twofold. It gives me the opportunity to work on stuff outside of the back of the van, and it also, because of the height of these, it makes it's the van is like look, maybe in between the height of this and this right here, so I got to bend over to do everything. This allows me to stand up straight. The old Three Stooges joke. You got a weak back? Yeah, I got a weak back. Once you get a weak back, oh, about a weak back. Hope you like that joke. I found it kind of funny. Alright, it's an old Three Stooges bit. Alright, let's get these holes made. Then we'll throw the table together and you and I can laugh together at how much it wobbles. Okay, but the point is, the reason why I'm making this table this way is so when it's not in use, I can tear it down, put the, put the bolts, the wing nut, the washers and that in the, in a baggie and magnet. Oh, come on. Okay. I can magnet that to one of the legs, and then I can stick that in the in behind the front seats and in front of the middle seats in the van. Okay, so, and this will be our tabletop. So let's see how it worked. The other thing I'm afraid of is I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. I should have got bolts that were flat on the top, but this will work because everything's going to be done in between here. So oops, I just dropped a bit on the ground. Where'd you go? Right there. Oh no, that's an old cigarette. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yep, sorry. right? Well, some of this might get edited out, I don't know. So far, so good. All right. Legs A. Let's see if that works. Here's how we'll do it. Let's flip this over. Those should stay in there. All right. And this panel goes to the outside. Let's see if I did my measurements right. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, come on now. Sweet. Okay, it's a little off. It's a little off, but that's okay. Let's wing nut it down. Oh, there we go. God, I love wing nuts. They're so versatile. So much more versatile than just a regular nut. Oh, come on. Yeah, see, I can already see. I can feel it. See? Look at how wobbly that is. But that's okay. Okay, let's put the other ones on here. Let's see if I can... Ouch! I can... Well, that's kind of cool. Alright, got our holes here. Yeah, the old apartment scrapper needs to get that battery charged on that thing. Because the other thing I told you about I want to try out involves the drill there. It's a requirement, in fact. Because I'm a cheapie, I had all this. The bolts, the washers, the wing nuts. I had all that stuff. I hoarded it from... Come on. When we, okay, you didn't see this. Or maybe you did. There we go. It's only a battery. It'll be fine. I hoarded them from when we moved out of our house. Alright, same thing. This part to the inside. Alright. Let's see. Well, and you need to, there we go. Sweet, right down on there. I think this is going to work out great, guys. I really do. As long as I don't put any real undue stress on it, I think this is going to work out fine. God, yeah. And think, like I said, nuts, bolts, well, the nuts, the wing nuts, the bolts, and the washers are from the house we used to own, the wife and I. I brought all that stuff with me in a box. Alright? These legs, this wood, all scrap. Alright, let me grab my junk. My 2 drill bits. And we're going to take this back down by the van and see how it goes. Alright? I got to go easy here because it's on an incline right here. Yeah. Alright. I think this is going to work out great. Alright. Let me set this like so. I'm going to set this down on the ground so I'm not messing this up. Well, it is wobbly, like I said. But you know what? I can fix that. It's called force. If I just... I think that will work out great. I've got some 2x4s inside the van right there. What I can do, I don't like to... I have to figure out a way to do it, but I might be able to just either, on top of these right here, you can see that, on both sides, put in a 2x4 that runs out a little proud of it, and maybe just bungee that around. That should keep it from flopping around too much. And it also keeps with the idea of being able to break it down and put it back inside the van. So there you go, guys. The apartment scrapper table. Not bad, huh, for scrap stuff. Pretty cool. All right, that's the table.